FAL
902.
2902.
Yes. Okay, so what is the purpose of this one? This is sitting on the slug catcher outlet, going to the first stage separator. Yes.
Yeah, this is the oil. I mean, this is the liquid outlet of the slag catcher, which is going to the per stage separator. So, on a low level, a low flow here, that means we have an issue for the forward flow.
Okay. So, what could be a cause for low flow? I mean, if FCB is controlled by FIC, so that is not the right cause. Any valve on the downstream is closed, can be reason for low flow, right?
Yeah, yes. Any valve here,
Inadvertent closure of any manual valve.
Yes, yes.
Downstream of the
Ultimately,
FCP will
yes.
have this issue.
Yes. Downstream of FCB, right?
Yeah, downstream.
Downstream, yes.
Including the FCP.
Yeah, including FCB is controlled by this FIC. So that is not right
Yes.
cause.
Yes,
Okay,
that's
so
the root cause.
there is a manual
Yes, yes.
valve here, and there is another valve
At L.
here.
Yes, yes, correct. Yes, correct. So any manual valve remains closed. So in the downstream, in the slug catcher line going to the first stage separator.
First stage separator.
Yeah.
Correct.
So I will share my screen.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So guys, we are talking about this one. So I will highlight with the color so that we are reviewing it. And this is sitting on the slug catcher outlet going to the first stage. This is the case. And okay, I will view, I mean, review, review will on fridge. So we have taken this one. We'll review. View, I will fridge it so that we understand. Okay. So going for here. So this is a normal operation, of course. Answer is yes. And did we consider a job? Where the answer is no. In seal, no, it is not there. So if any S is there, so it's a valid. So we are taking in valid category. Now going for the likely cause of alarm.